Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGUARD and how it works. ClickGUARD's data-driven approach and highly customizable technology create a multitude of benefits for Google Ads users. Protect your ads and stop wasteful click. Drive more ROI from your Google Ads and win the race at all costs. See the source of each and every Google Ads click. Identify fraudulent, spammy, or non-engaged clicks. Set up customized rules, block the fraudulent traffic sources, and let the engaged traffic come in. With the ClickGUARD mobile app, you have access to your data whenever and wherever you need it. Over how, why, and what traffic you are blocking, with custom rules for each of your campaigns. With in-depth post-click analysis, which allows you to make the best data-driven decisions. By stopping wasteful clicks, improve your return on ad spend and save your budget. Thorough analysis with advanced click forensics. Think you know what's behind your Google Ads? You don't know the full story. ClickGUARD's click forensics technology offers you insider information about each click on your Google Ads campaigns. This way, you can analyze where each click is coming from, what they are doing on your website, and if they are worth your budget. Good clicks, bad clicks. Now you can investigate and make your own data-driven decisions. Protecting your Google Ads from click fraud and waste is just a swipe away. You can stop click fraud, get easy access to all your Google Ads data, and make the best data-driven decisions with the ClickGUARD app. Just install it on your phone and log in to all your ClickGUARD data in just a few quick swipes. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGUARD and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.